malakas yun. Hi guys, what's up? Hi guys, what's up? Yung malakas yun siguro. Siguro na kaya at nagulat. So, this is the part 2 of our Pokemon Unite. Pokemon Unite Part 2 video. Ba't ako nagsasalita na may ano ko? Sasalita ako habang nag-ano ako. May kiniklaim ako. Normal lang yun sa akin. Kasi, I don't know. You know that? You know that I love you, Samangela. Huwag natin babakinggan si Petty. Kailan ulit tayo magkikita, baby? Diba ganyan? Siguro pag ano, nakita ko ni Tad. So, maglalaro na po tayo. Ba't kaya nang ibabawas? I'm just trying to do it. Oh, may wrong. Okay, start natin to. Let's play wrong. Let's play wrong. Yes, let's play wrong. Getting right now? Getting ready? Yes, I'm ready right now. So we got here Lola Nentes. What is this? We are Charizard. Oh no. No. We gonna use this. We are gonna try this. Our new Pokemon. What is this? Potion. Dati naman hindi ganun yun. Kasi alam nyo ba guys? Dati kasi naglalaro ako nito. Naglalaro kasi ako nito. Tapos nagiba yung ano, nagiba kasi yung ano, yung yung potion ba yun? Dati libre lang yun guys. Lahat ng ganun libre lang. Namkin eh. Si OG ata ako dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung OG ako eh. Kaya let's go, we're gonna play this. Powder Shadow. Oh, Powder Shadow yun. Di mo na ako nakakuha nun. This man! That is mine! That is mine too. Bro. Let's go. Go, die. Pwede ba yun? What? Avalanche. Yung pangit pala nun. Butik na yun. Ay, medyo cool na rin. Ang patay. How to kill Charmander? Come over here. Oh my god. Oh my, ito pala. Blizzard, Aurora Veil. Ito na lang. Saan ako pupunta? Ayun! The best combo and ever existed. No, lalagay mo dito. Tapos, pupush mo siya. O, diba? Ganon. The best combo and ever in history. Look what did I did there? That's the power of Aurora. Yeah, we destroyed it. Now we're gonna kill this shit. What this shit right here? What this shit right here? Go fuck to sleep, motherfucker. Oh, Charmander, come over here. Only 9 health. Ha! Dead. Ha! Patay. Sino ka? Sino ka? Patay. Unite move. I thought that was ano yun? I thought yung na mag-English. Kalau ano yan? Yung ano? Oh, nagbabackflip. Ayun ko lang nakita. Kalau ultimate move yun. Yun, eto na guys. So this is the battle of for the version. Oh, no, I'm not drunk. That's the way you speak to other peoples in the earth of this. Bro, I'm gonna say this as what the hell. Attacking recipe pa yun. Movement speed. Ano kaya ginagawa ng ito? Yo. How does this move? Wow! Come around, I see Downing. Come on, Shama drowning. Oh no, I'm not drowning. I see with Shama drowning. Ganun ba yun? No, I'm not drowning. Because I see I'm drowning. Come on. Ano to? Sino ka? Who are you? Who is a doggy? Hey, come here! Hey! Loser! Is the... Come over here! Let's dance! Let's dance together! Tingnan nga, ano ka ba? Ay, ikaw inaano mo ko Tay. Oh, ah! You cannot do that to me. Ano naman yan? Tayong ba? Tayong cafe? Ano ba? Tayong cafe? About the art? Yun. Glam music. Did you hear that before? I don't know. I see, I'm drowning. Come on, mama. Hey, Snorlax. Hay nako, natulog na naman si Snorlax. Di nag-good night sa akin. Bigyan ko siya, good night, please. Good night, please. Magkaroon lang tayo. Kamawa maasi ama drowning, pinyama na naman. May naiintindihan ba kayo sa'yo? Ha? Wala rin ako naiintindihan sa sarili ko. What? You ain't going anywhere. You too, Snorlax. Snorlax. Snorlax! Inigigil mo ako. You ain't going anywhere. Messi! La! Alaga pala ni ano? Alaga pala to ni ano? Ngunit yun. Elsa! Do you wanna be a snowman? Alaga pala to ni Anis. Elsa. Ah! Do you wanna be a snowman? You ain't going anywhere. You ain't going anywhere. Bebe. Ble. Pagpata. Why is it so madali right here? No kahirap-hirap. Walang kahirap-hirap, Gar. So, yun na. Parin. Let's go. We win! I got the last strike. Last video na gusto ko i-last strike yung story ng last. Ngayon, ano ulit yun? Dream come true! Dream come true! Let's go! It's a dream come true. It's a dream come true. What the hell? Come on, mama, drowning. So, guys, this is the video for today. Wait lang. Chill. Ay, di tayo makaabot level 7. So, I hope you guys enjoy my video right now. Cause that's all I want for you, to enjoy my video right now, to enjoy your day right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.